Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's monster movement, once again, updates need to be done. So first thing I'm going to do here is just a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of this line down here. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see the MACD as support. So for those of you that did watch the previous video, talked about right around 830 as being that level of resistance, but now with the price well above it, that would be the newest area of support and what I would call the ideal level. And you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, ideally, if the price could stay above 830, that would be a fantastic sign of power. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below there, then that implies everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying above that level would definitely be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, as I've talked about in past videos, it's still all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 830 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as the areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up there at $9. Let's see, what was that? $9.20. So watch that closely going forward. But at the end of the day, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean? Well, as I've said in the past, what matters the most is what the price continues to do. And that's right there. Just build those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue in the upwards direction, then give it enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.